In Somalia, 9 people, include the former defense minister, were killed in attack on the hotel. In Syria, at least 12 people were killed and 29 wounded in a 2-car bomb blast. Governments around the world condemns Myanmar military coups. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan was personally interacting with the general public on the telephone today on Monday. US lead troops to remain in Afghanistan beyond the many deadline agreed with the Taliban. Dubai police encourage the public to report COVID-19 violations.